Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Evernote, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Evernote app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the New Note button to start. Title your note Monthly Budget. In the body of the note, list your income sources. Include all forms of income such as salary, side hustles, or any other earnings. Next, create a section titled Expenses. List all your monthly expenses under this section. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs might include rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Variable costs could include groceries, dining out, and entertainment. After listing your expenses, add a section for savings. Determine a percentage of your income you want to set aside for savings. Consider setting separate savings goals, such as an emergency fund or vacation fund. Now, create another section titled Budget Summary. Calculate your total income and subtract your total expenses from it. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. You can use tables in Evernote to organize this information more visually. To do this, click on the table icon and select the desired number of rows and columns. Input your income, expenses, and savings into the table for easy reference. Once your budget is laid out, set reminders for monthly updates. Evernote allows you to set calendar reminders for your notes. On the Notes menu, look for the reminder option and schedule it for the first of each month. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. This will help you stay on track and make necessary changes based on your financial situation. You are now ready to effectively budget with Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.